come to the in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So we get two ways how we can do that. Just the first one, you just should go into the settings and scroll to the sound section. Now just tap there, and here we got the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to activate the silent mode, you should swipe this dot to the left side, and by this way, as can you see, we just enable the silent mode on our device. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of our device, we got the volume buttons. Just by using them, press one up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. And here you will see the ring and notification volume panel. Just by the same way, you should swipe this panel to the left side, this dot to the left side with your finger, and by this way also you can enable the silent mode. And just to turn it off, so again, just swipe this dot to the right side with your finger. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.